For this exercise, we're going to need a band, and we're going to place it between both hands, and then put your elbows down on a desk or a table, whatever you have at your disposal. Just make sure that your elbows can be down at about a 45-degree angle from the shoulder. We'll be using this positioning specifically for those that sit at a desk pretty often, or that may have forward head posture or rounded shoulders, as it really opens up the thoracic spine as well as the anterior chest wall to counteract both of those postural deficits that we'll see. Then going to put that light band to the test and pull your hands apart, keeping the band nice and taut. Now you don't want to go too crazy. You just want to keep your hands right at elbows width as you're doing this. You're then going to fully exhale everything out. Lower abdominals will be a little bit tense, and then a silent inhale through the nose, maintaining that abdominal tension, and you should feel a nice gentle expansion throughout the whole rib cage, 360 degrees, specifically biasing between the shoulder blades. Some common mistakes we want to watch out for are taking the hands too far outside of the shoulders width and really tucking that head or tucking your chin underneath. You also want to watch out for making this turtle shell type positioning out of the thoracic spine. And what will typically accompany that is neck breathing. So when you're inhaling, you're not getting the 360-degree expansion we would like. Instead, you're shrugging the shoulders up and down, which is really just using the upper traps to help you inhale.